Hi, I'm Andy, one of the video producers here at TechSmith, and I'm so excited that I get to be the person who tells you about the latest feature inside of Camtasia, Variable Speed Playback, or JKL. What's Variable Speed Playback? It means you can now go faster when watching back your footage, both forward and backward. Let me show you how it works inside Camtasia. I've got some footage of Aaron that I need to cut. I have to find the right take. If I press L, it's going to play back at normal speed, or 1x. If I hit L one more time, it's going to play at 2x, doubling my playback speed. Hit L again, it'll double my playback speed up to 4x, and hit it one more time, and we're flying through the timeline at 8 times the normal playback speed. So hit J, I don't even have to stop, and it starts going backwards at 1x. Hit J again for 2x, hit it again for 4, hit it again for 8 times your original speed playback in reverse. Hit K to stop, and it's that simple. J, K, and L. Look down at your keyboard. They're right next to each other. Imagine it as a reverse, a pause, and a forward. And that's it. You've got controls right at your fingertips. I can't wait to hear what you think. So leave us a comment, leave us the feedback. We want to hear if this is going to speed up your workflows, if this is going to make you a more efficient editor, or if you're going to stick to the old cursor way of doing things. And that's fine. Everyone's going to have their own preferences. But for me, I've been waiting for JKL for a long time, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you. So hopefully this speeds up your process as well. Thanks for watching.